Local attorneys are now reviewing cases involving a former Travis County medical examiner who's facing an investigation by Texas Rangers and a lawsuit in Lubbock.
Dr. Sam Andrews and a colleague are accused of harvesting organs from the body of a little girl during an autopsy without her family's consent. Back in 2017, while working for Travis County, he changed portions of his autopsy findings right before he was set to testify in the murder of Steven Sylvester. The late change caused the judge to rip into Dr. Andrews and ultimately limit his testimony in front of a jury. Travis County tells us Dr. Andrews left to take the Lubbock chief medical examiner's job permanently last October, but not without causing serious credibility questions for cases already through the court system and for others still to come. As KXAN's Brittany Glass explains, an Austin defense attorney is fighting what she argues may be bad science on the part of Dr. Andrews, going so far as to say bodies may need to be exhumed. Meanwhile, Sylvester's family hopes what happened in their case won't happen again.
So I feel like the Travis County Medical Examiner's Office failed Steven.
Powerful words from family of Steven Sylvester, killed in 2015 in West Campus.
We didn't get to choose who did his autopsy. You know, when your loved one dies, that's not a choice you get to make.
Shanae Perkins says her nephew never got justice and blames Dr. Sam Andrews in his testimony. A jury convicted Brian Canchola on a Class A misdemeanor assault charge rather than murder.
So here we are several years later, and it's just like it happened yesterday.
Although it's too late for Sylvester's family, one Travis County defense attorney says Dr. Andrews' alleged missteps in Lubbock could change things in her client's case. A court delay has already been granted.
And we have an interest in a speedy trial, and it's been a long time. No one wanted this continuance, but you have to have good science to get good answers.
Amber Vasquez represents Clifton Wade, charged with capital murder in the 2016 death of Lee King in Del Valley. Vasquez says they'll move to suppress King's autopsy.
I think it's going to have to be examined carefully by all sides. I don't know if this means using old records, exhuming bodies. I have no idea.
But of the fewer than a dozen pending cases Dr. Andrews had a hand in, the DA's office is confident Andrews' work is credible and reliable.
We have not come into contact with any so far where the findings are in dispute, and that's why we plan on having every one of these autopsies reviewed by another examiner to determine whether or not they can agree or concur with the work that was done.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
The Travis County District Attorney's Office confirms that they have not been contacted by Lubbock or any of the investigating agencies for information on Dr. Andrews. They too are waiting to hear the findings.